Well, drivers, this may be no surprise to you. More than half of our roads are in really bad shape, according to new research just released today. And that doesn't just make for a bad commute. It could be costing you big bucks. Our Spencer Soicher is live along I-10 in Dalrymple right now. Spencer, just how much are we losing here?
Well, Liz, it sounds like a lot. According to TRIP, which is a organization that does research on transportation, we're losing about $2,300 per year when you factor in current road conditions and the amount of time that you sit in traffic.
We have an infrastructure problem in Louisiana. I don't know if you knew that. We're letting you know.
Randy Cangolosi, the board chairman for the Baton Rouge Area Chamber, isn't alone in his view on transportation issues in Louisiana.
They're horrible. All the city streets everywhere are horrible, horrible, horrible. The interstate is horrible. Veterans Highway, you can do 90 miles an hour. The interstate, you do 40.
According to our report, roads and bridges here in Baton Rouge that are deteriorated, congested, and that lack some safety features cost each driver nearly $2,300 every year. That amounts to a total of $6.9 billion statewide.
That report from TRIP, a transportation research nonprofit, also says that 61% of the roads here in Baton Rouge are in poor or mediocre condition. I would imagine that a auto shop in Louisiana is probably the best business you could have.
Yeah. Thanks to these roads, they keep us pretty busy.
The report says that here in Baton Rouge, we spend almost 2.5 days every year just sitting in traffic.
If you don't get on the interstate before like 2 and between like 5, you're gonna be sitting there, but you gotta have some gas.
The report claims we spend nearly $730 a year in repairs to our cars because of the Baton Rouge roads. Cangolosi says there isn't enough funding to fix those roads, but he has a suggestion that's already been debated and defeated.
We need a gas tax. You may not like it, but it is a necessity. It is no longer a luxury. And we keep putting this off, and we're making things worse.
And it appears these drivers at least aren't ready to pay extra at the pump. Yay or nay?
No, we don't need that.
The gas tax is not the answer.
Now, TRIP does these studies for all 50 states, and they say that we also have the 5th highest fatality rate on our roads as well. Reporting outside on I-10 by Dalrymple, Spencer Soicher, WAFB 9.